everybody, welcome to GIS E-Pathshala, Grade 9, Social Science, Economics, Chapter 1, The Story of Palampur. And now in that we are going to learn about the land. In last video lecture also we have done something about land. Land is very important factor for agriculture. But now how land is distributed? You know that the excessive pressure is created on land. Why? Because we all want bumper production, and because of the large production the excessive pressure is there on the land. Now we are going to see how the land is distributed among the farmers of Palampur. How is land distributed among the farmers of Palampur? Now unfortunately not all the people engaged in agriculture have sufficient land for agriculture. See, now all are doing agriculture work, many people are doing agriculture work, but all the people are not having the sufficient land, equal land. The land is uneven. The distribution of land is always uneven. Now in Palampur also we can see 1/3 of 450 families, that is 150 families have no land. 450 out of 450 families, 1/3 of the 450 means 150 families have no land. 240 families cultivate small plots. 240 families are doing the cultivation on small plots, and after that 60 families are medium or large. 60 families are medium or large means they are having big or bigger plot. So according to the distribution of land we are going to see some people do not have land, some people have small piece of land, and some have medium or large piece of land or huge piece of land is there. Now one story of Gobind is given. One story of Gobind is given. In the story what it is given, that Gobind was a farmer. Gobind was a farmer and he was having more than 2 hectares of land, unirrigated land. More than 2 hectares of unirrigated land. Now along with his 3 sons, he was doing cultivation. Now along with his 3 sons, he was doing cultivation. But after that also they cannot earn much more. They cannot earn enough to live properly. They cannot earn enough. So again after the period of agriculture work, they have to work somewhere else. They have to find work somewhere else for their basic necessities. They have to do some extra work, and they have to go in and they have to search some extra work also. After that, after the death of Govind, again that piece of land was distributed among the 3 son according to the inheritance, hereditary. So now what happens, suppose the land is there, distribution of land is uneven. Some farmers are having this type of land, this is the small piece of land, some are having this small piece of land. Again suppose this is the farm of Gobind, he is giving, after his death it was distributed among the 3 sons. Again in future it was distributed among, and suppose the small piece is there, that is also distributed among the son or like that. So the uneven distribution is going on. So from the Palampur, the story of Palampur, what we can say, that the distribution of land is uneven. All are not having sufficient land and they have to search for another work also. So from the story of Palampur, we have to compare the same situation with our country. In our country also the land distribution is uneven. Now after the distribution of land, we will see about the labor. The labor is very important for cultivation or farming or agriculture work. Without labor we cannot do anything. Suppose for the machineries are there, but for the machinery to run the machinery also one labor we need. So the labors are there. Labor is very important factor for agriculture. Labor is very needed in agriculture. Now see, there are small farmers are there, medium and large farmers are there. So how we can get the laborers, from where the laborers are coming, who are the laborers, that thing is there in the mind. So for small farmers are doing, they do along with their family cultivate their own field. See, small farmers are there, all the family members together doing the work on the field and doing the cultivation and agriculture work. Because the plot is small and they can do, all the family members together can do the things. But after that the medium and large farmers are there. Medium and large farmers have the huge plots are there. So how they can do? They hire farm labor to work in their field. They hire the farm laborers, and they are paying wages to the labor. They hire the farm laborers and they are paying wages to the labor. But now see, mostly the way from where the laborers are coming, mostly the laborers are coming from the landless families. Mostly the laborers are coming from the landless families, or the family members, those who are having the very small plot. They are working in their own plot also, and they are doing work in the other fields also, in the used plot also, the in the under the small, in the under the medium and large farmers also. So mostly the laborers are coming from the families, those are landless families, or else those are having very small plots. After that, one story is the what is the condition of laborers. What is the condition of labor that is given? A story is given, the story of Dala and Ramakali. The story of Dala and Ramakali. Dala is the male and Ramakali is a female. Now they both are saying something about themselves. They both are the poor people of the village. They both are the poor native of the Palampur. Now they are doing the wages and they are doing the work as a labor in the field. But as you know, that is one is the drawback of the modern farming method. One is the drawback of modern farming method, because all the machineries are available and the machineries are taking the place of the labor, and labor has to stay unemployed. They are living without work because the machineries are there. So now, because of the modern farming method, machines are available. Previously, Dala was working in Ramakali, both were working in somewhere in the field. But now the large and medium farmers have purchased the tractor, thresher, harvester, all the things they purchased, and now they need less laborers. So now they both are without the work. And the Dala is saying that he took some money. Previously, he took some money from a person, and now he is to pay. How he will pay? He was very much intense that how I can pay without the work. And Ramakali was also saying that now the work is not there at the place of the weeding. Also they are using the weedicides for the doing the work of weeding. Also instead of labor, weedicides are available. So now that type of work is also not available. So Ramakali is also saying that this year I have to search work somewhere outside somewhere. I have to search some work and I have to do work in the small scale industries. Suppose the brick factory is there outside the village, I have to search some work there. After that also, in the very less wages, she will get work somewhere, she can join and she can do the work. So now this type of situations are there of the labor. And in Palampur also the situation is like that. In the same way the situation of labor is like that in our country also. So because of that, you can see many of the farmers, many of the laborers are migrating from the Uttar Pradesh and like that from the small villages to Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh side. After that, now after the labor, we will see about the capital. So the capital is very important thing. You know, as the fixed capital is there and working capital is there. Fixed capital means land, machinery, all are counted as fixed capital. And working capital means cash in hand. Suppose you want to buy the seeds. Suppose you want to pay to the laborers. Suppose you want to pay your water bill. All such type of things you have to pay in cash. So you need the cash in hand. That is your working capital. Now as you know that the modern farming method is a capital intensive method. In modern farming method, you need more capital. Then only you can do the modern farming methods. Now, where does the capital comes from? Now the question is there, from where does the capital come from? See, the small farmers are there. So the small farmers borrow money to arrange capital. Small farmers borrow money to arrange capital. And they have to take loan from some other farmers or land laborers or like that. And they have to take money from some other person and they have to pay a high rate of interest also. And money lenders are there, traders are there. From them, they are taking the loan. And some of the farmers are there, they are having the huge plot. They are the medium farmer and large farmers. They are having their own capital compared to the small farmers. Now, one story of Savita is given. Savita is a small farmer and she has taken some loan from Tejpal Singh. She has taken loan from Tejpal Singh and Tejpal Singh is ready to give her loan. But Tejpal Singh is giving loan at very high rate of interest of 24%, very high rate of interest. And along with the interest, he was taking the high rate of interest. Along with that, he was saying that Savita has to work in his field as a labor during the harvesting time at the rate of 100 rupees. At the rate of 100 rupees per day. This type of laborers are getting the daily wages on the daily base. Daily they are getting their wages. So Savita has to pay the high rate of interest also, and she has to do work during the harvesting time at the rate of 100 rupees per day. And as she is a housewife, she is having her family, she is having some family responsibilities, then also she has to do and she has to pass through the tough time because she has to pay the loan. So compared to this type of farmers, small farmers, they are maximum, mostly they are under the debt only. They have to pay to the landlords or they have to pay to the laborers. So this type of condition is there in Palampur and in our country also. And compared to the small farmers, the medium and large farmers have the excessive things. They are doing more production. Their capital, they are having their own capital. So they are using modern farming methods. They are producing much more, and surplus they are selling in the market. Surplus they are selling outside, and whatever they are getting from the surplus things they are getting, they are earning the money. Those money they are keeping as a capital. So they are not worried, but the small farmers are always in the debt. So now we have seen about the land, capital, labor, condition of labor, all the things, all the factors related to agriculture. So this type of condition is there in Palampur, and along with Palampur we have to see these all things are in the our country also. Thank you.